Here you can see is the iPhone 11. There's the iPhone, there's 3 versions of the iPhone 11 coming out today. The iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Plus, and iPhone. There's many different names and stuff to them. This one right here, as you can see, has 3 different cameras for wide, for very wide, and zooming in and different things you can use. You can cover up one of these cameras, and the other cameras will still work at the same exact time. And then you got the flash here, and then this is to get your sound and everything in for recording or anything with that. And then this is not waterproof yet, as it would be nice to be waterproof, but it's still water resistant, as many of the other iPhones are. Anyways, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Kevin Grab YouTube channel, and I'm not wearing my my Apple shirt right here, but I'll quick put that on right now. I just wanted to make sure I wore a blue shirt. This is the original Apple logo, and anyways, we're here in Texas right now at the Master AT&T store. Anyways, right here is the original Apple logo. I think Apple is trying to bring this logo back. And thanks for the view. Leave a comment on how great Apple is. And anyways, I'm glad you got to see the original logo and not the cut.